The first time I sang Yiddish in Prague, I went to a senior facility that they were building for survivors. And I sang Yiddish, and not one person there knew Yiddish. I thought I was going to cry. I mean, I've been learning Yiddish, and I was so looking forward to singing it. At the end of the concert, some man came up to me and said, "Would you please sing Yiddish, Mama?" He was the only one there. He was a little guy. He was half bent over. He must have been 100 years old. And that's when I realized that I have to sing Yiddish Mama at every occasion, because music transcends generations. It transcends races, religions. And I was doing such a mitzvah, and I didn't know it, that they could cling to something. Because when had somebody been in Prague singing Yiddish Mama? Because some people say, "Don't sing it, it'll make me cry." You know, but this little man wanted some connection, some peace to his Yiddishkeit. So I try to sing Yiddish whenever I can, if they let me. I didn't sing it when we went to Babi Yar, but you know, it's kind of like in my hip pocket, so to speak. But it's significant to pass that along. Here in South Florida, I have to tell you, when I was singing Yiddish, again, when I moved here 10 years ago, somebody came up and said, "You're singing too much Yiddish. This is too Jewish." So you see, I've gotten both answers. I mean, to me, I'm not going to stop singing Yiddish. I may only know a handful of songs, but I try to go to Yiddish theater whenever I'm in New York City or to see a Yiddish play or something, because it is the bridge to the next generation, to the past. Yiddishkeit, Yiddish was the Mama Lashon. When we talk about the culture that existed, you can't separate the two. And I don't think that you can really understand our heritage unless you understand Yiddish.